The internet has become a comfortable space to meet new people, to share your thoughts, to have your small business get advertised, and it is also the most amazing place to earn money passively. Well, if you haven't been to the money-making side of the internet, well, today in this video, I will be introducing you a website that will help you earn without even doing so much. You may think that this is an impossible feat, but I tell you that it is not. All you have to do is to finish this video and not skip any part of it because I will share with you some tips and tricks that will boost your income. So before we start, I want to know if you want to see more contents like this by leaving a statement on the comment box down below. And if you like what you have been watching, give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be able to see more videos like this and hit that bell button to keep you updated. The website that I'm about to introduce to you is search engine like Google. Their main difference, which is the best characteristic about this website, is unlike Google, this website will pay you 20 cents for every click that you get. So I want you to open up the browser that you are comfortable with using and type in on the address bar entireweb.com. Some individuals use this website already because they are paid, but not many people are aware of it, so we should take advantage of it. So when you open the site, their homepage will look like this, and on the top right or left-hand side of the screen, you will see 3 horizontal lines. What I want you to do next is to click it and then a drop-down box will show. It contains buttons from home, free tools, advertise, affiliate, articles, and so on. What I want you to focus your attention to is on the affiliate. As affiliates, we no longer need to sell items or persuade others to buy from us. We simply need to persuade them to utilize the entire web instead of Google. You will get paid 20 cents for each click made, and even if you are slipping, you will be earning money passively. So after clicking the affiliate button, you will be redirected to a page that looks like this. This is where you can create your affiliate account. If you dig a little bit deeper, scroll through this page, you will get an explanation of how the full web's affiliate program works, as well as how and when you will be paid. The payout value is set at $50 as the minimum. In the payout options section of your affiliate account, you must provide your PayPal email address. Otherwise, the website will be unable to pay you. $50 may sound a lot, but trust me, you will easily earn this much when you follow the tips that I will be sharing with you at the end of this video. Now, I want you to redirect your attention to creating an account first. As you can see, there's this green button right here that says Create Account. After that, you need to fill in all the necessary information that is being asked on the box provided. You need to fill up the personal information, additional information, as well as payout methods. So this website is very strict about its payment methods. They only accept PayPal, so if you still don't have a PayPal account, you can easily sign up at paypal.com if you are using a laptop or desktop, and if you are using tablet or smartphone, you can easily download the app at Play Store for Android phones and App Store for iPhone users, and you can sign up directly at the app itself. After filling out all the necessary information, registering for an affiliate account should not take that long. After filling out all the necessary information as well as checking the box for agreeing to terms and conditions, you have just created your account. The next thing you will do is to log into the account that you just created. On the upper right-hand screen, you can see a green box with the text Login. Click on it and you will be able to log into your account. Now you can click the box with Remember Me Now so that every time you visit this web, you don't have to log in because you will log in automatically. After logging in, you will see this page that contains these. This is your homepage. As you can see here on the top area is your affiliate link that is unique to you, and you can also see your dashboard as you scroll down. Since you are new to this, you can see zeros for now because you just started, but you will be able to see this value increase when you generate the leads from the traffic that you can get free online. Stay tuned in this video and finish it until the last second so you won't miss any information that I will be sharing with you. And if you like what you have been hearing so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on that bell button so you won't miss any of our future uploads about making money online. The next thing that you should do now is to copy your affiliate link located on the topmost area of the homepage and paste this link on any social media platform that you have. And by any, what I mean is it can be Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok, etc. The first tip that I'm gonna teach you is not just plainly paste your link directly to your account. You should find groups that are into online money making. This should be your target leads because they are the ones who are eager to earn income online, and that you can attach an enticing description on the link so that you can catch the attention of your future leads. You either put earn money online just by clicking the link below or earn passive income online or anything that you can think of. The next tip that I'm going to share with you is where and how you can generate free traffic without much effort like the first one. Now I know that you are familiar with Quora. So it is an online community where people can ask questions and it can be answered by anyone who sees that question. So the importance of Quora is that this is the place where you can get free traffic. You can paste your link here, but a little precaution, you should not spam. So what I want you to do is type in Quora.com. Then you will be redirected to this page. On the search bar, I want you to type in money making online. There are a lot of questions that will pop up. You open each of these questions and you should answer it properly. Leave about 3 to 5 sentences of answer, then put a little attention catcher description along with your affiliate link. Now anyone that asks this type of question, your answer will pop up. People are surely to open it, read on it, and click on your link. Now you can leave your answer online for a long time. This way, your income will come in passively since people will continue clicking on it and you can still continue doing what you're supposed to do. The only thing left for you to do is wait and you'll soon notice notifications coming up every minute of every day as people click on your link. You can visit your dashboard every now and then so you can see the numbers rising. And if you achieve the $50 threshold, you will now be able to cash out your earning. This is an excellent way to earn and make money online. I hope you enjoyed it and did not miss any of the crucial bits. This is pretty much everything you need to know about EntireWeb.com. There are a lot of opportunities offered here on the internet. What I just showed you is an example of one. Some offers are available only for a specific country and some are available worldwide. Interact with us and leave the name of your country on the comment box down below so we will know what type of money-making online website should we upload the next time around that is available in your country. Show us some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Also, don't forget to click that red button bell so you'll be updated on our next upload.